make it. This is so simple. We have ordinary chicken patties here. We're not gonna eat them cold and dry. What you need is a little bit of spaghetti sauce. While I'm putting spaghetti sauce on, I'm gonna let Scarlett shred the zucchini.
Yay!
Do this? Good job, Scarlett. We put about 2 tablespoons of spaghetti sauce on top of the chicken patties. Now we're gonna put a handful of cheese over the top. You want to do some? Here.
What do we do now?
We put zucchini on top. This is so easy, everybody can make it. We're just gonna top it with a little bit more cheese. We're gonna sprinkle it with virgin olive oil.
Can you try it?
We're gonna sprinkle a little bit of fresh chopped garlic on each one.
And some black pepper.
That's enough, Scarlett. A little bit on each one. I'm using some basil for decoration and flavor. Now we're gonna bake them on 370. 20 minutes into cooking and then they are done. We're serving it with fresh tomatoes and steamed vegetables. Yum.